Home HVAC Services is your trusted local expert for professional gas furnace repair in Westchester, PA. We provide fast, reliable, and affordable heating solutions to keep your home warm and comfortable throughout the cold Pennsylvania winters. Our experienced HVAC technicians are trained to diagnose and repair all major gas furnace brands and models, ensuring safe and efficient operation. If you have any questions, contact our gas furnace repair team. Are you looking for a gas furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. How do I know if my gas furnace needs repair? Common signs that your gas furnace may need repair include insufficient heating, unusual noises, frequent cycling, rising energy bills, strange odors, or a furnace that won't turn on. If you notice any of these issues, it's best to schedule a professional inspection as soon as possible. Can a dirty air filter cause furnace problems? Yes. A clogged or dirty air filter can restrict airflow, reduce efficiency, increase energy costs, and even cause your furnace to overheat. Replacing your filter regularly is one of the simplest ways to maintain your heating system. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our gas furnace repair have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Wyndon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.